Cat Cafe Manager. I can't get enough of this game since I got it a few days ago. Cat Cafe Manager is an amazing management story game about you setting up your own cat cafe and running it. Cat Cafe Manager is a really interesting game with different characteristics from different people. I would personally give this game a 91 out of 100, one of my best ratings so far, which gives it the gold paw. Cat Cafe Manager is a bit weird how it has different types of currency. That's the one thing I'm confused about. They could have just made it gold. But other than that, brilliant game. I love it. This game is completely brilliant, and I'm not saying that because I'm biased. Well, I kind of am, because I love cats, but I love this. And I highly, highly, highly recommend you get this game if you like cats. Anyway, that's it from me. Goodbye.